Dear students, let us discuss about the chapter called Coordinate Geometry, Nirdeshanka Rekha Ganita. In your previous classes, you have already discussed some concepts on coordinate geometry. When we draw true lines like this, then it divides the graph sheet into 4 quadrants. These parts are called quadrants, and the perpendicular line, this line is called y-axis, and the horizontal line is called x-axis. ಈ ಅಡ್ಡ ರೇಖೆಯನ್ನು x-axis ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, and we are calling this ಲಂಬ ರೇಖೆ perpendicular line is called as y-axis, and the point of intersection of these two lines, that is x-axis and y-axis, is called origin. Origin ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು origin ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, and it is denoted by letter O. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಟು ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ y-axis we have positive numbers, and to the left of this line we have negative number, and the above part of the x-axis is always positive numbers, and the below part is, or the lower part is, negative numbers. We have negative values, and this part is called first quadrant, and this part is called second quadrant, and this part is called third quadrant, and the last part, that is fourth part, is called fourth quadrant. When we locate the number, it has two values, and it is in the form of xy. This xy means it is a distance from y-axis, and y value means it is a distance from x-axis. For example, we have a point 3, 4, and this is called, suppose this point is denoted by P, then this is called coordinates of P, and the first numerical value always express the values of x, that is called as abscissa, and the second numerical value is called y value, and it is called ordinate, and together this we are calling it as coordinates. Though P point na coordinate 3 and 4, ಈ 3 ಅನ್ನು we are calling it as abscissa ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು, ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು we are calling it as ordinates, and this 3, 4 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4 ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇ ಲೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ P, and the coordinate of this point is 3, 4. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮತ್ತು 4 both are having positive sign. So the points in the first quadrant always have plus sign. That means both x and y values are positive here. Suppose we are going to locate another point Q. The point is like this, -2 and 3. Here we have a negative sign for abscissa, that is x value, and positive sign for ordinate, that is for y value. Here it is -2 on x-axis and +3. So the point is here, that is -2 and 3. The point is called Q. So the points in the second quadrants always have minus plus values, that is negative sign for x value and positive sign for y value. Suppose we have another point R, minus 1, minus 2, both ordinate and abscissa have negative sign. The point is here minus 1 and minus 2. This is the point R, which has a coordinate of minus 1 and minus 2. So, the points in the third quadrant always have both negative values for both x and y values. Suppose we have another point S, the value is plus 3 minus 1. So, here abscissa has positive value and ordinate has negative value. The point is here plus 3 and minus 1. So, this is the point S 3 comma minus 1. So, points in the fourth quadrant always has positive values for abscissa and negative value for ordinates. So, this is the concepts we learnt in the previous classes. Suppose the point is another point T is like this 0 and 3. Here abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 3. So, this is the 0 value for x and 3 is here. So, the point T is here with coordinate 0 and 3. Suppose another point is there U, which has minus 2 and 0. So, minus 2 is here. So, this is the value for abscissa and 0 is value for ordinate. So, this is the point itself. So, this is point U with coordinate minus 2 and 0. So, the origin, that is denoted by O, is having the coordinate 0 0. So, always the coordinate of origin is 0 and 0. These are all the things we learnt in the previous class. So, when we draw an horizontal line and a perpendicular line, it divides the graph into 4 parts. The first part is called as first quadrant, the second is second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. The points are represented by two values x and y like this, and this is called abscissa and this is called ordinate, and together it is called the coordinate of the point. In the first quadrant, the points are having both positive values, and in the second quadrant the points are having negative sign and positive sign, negative for x axis, so x value, and positive for y value. In the third quadrant the coordinates are minus minus, and the fourth quadrant the coordinates are plus and minus, and the coordinate of origin is 0 and 0. So, note down these things.